Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Yes, the last puzzle in the additional of not today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is Friday, September 24th, 2021, and I've told you in today's newspaper there are no extra Sudokus, no additional, only two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a heavy, and I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition, Tuesday, September the 21st, 2021. I've just solved the Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars. Now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. No, Tectonic with 1 star, yes, correct. Alright, let me position the camera. Okay. Oh, it's not gonna. Let me position the camera. Yes, okay. And this one, yes, will be number 3443. 3443. 3443. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, plus 4 is 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, that's my goal. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. Alright. Then the following question, dual boxes. Do we see here any dual boxes here? One dual box contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No, no triple boxes. Quadra boxes. I see here quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. More quadra boxes. Here also quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Okay. Quadra box. More quadra boxes here. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structure, some constriction, whatever you name it. For example, the L shape. We have an L shape here. Let me draw this, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box, oh, wrong. This box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay, well, this, I need to correct. Draw the wrong. Okay. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. There are no L shapes. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following figure, this figure, let me draw this. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes. Oh, I overlooked this L shape. We have another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So 2 L shapes, 2 of this kind of shapes. Then the following shape. This kind of shape. Yeah. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape, yeah, here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this Z construction? Yes, Z construction. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So it's connected with all those boxes. This box is also connected with that box. Okay. Another box is the same. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So this is connected with each other. That's the same number. All right. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. Then it's very easy. This the next step for filling the numbers. So next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. 1 number left in this area for the number 2. Okay. Then. I think this box. Wait. Yeah, these two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I feel a 2 in one of those two boxes, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes in these two boxes. And let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 in this quarter box. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for the number 2. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. No, not as a pair. Just goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Then these two boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, 1 there, but also 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. This box, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2 in this W area shape. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape also for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. In this quadra box, the 1 and the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here. So it cannot be a 5 here. It's not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 should be here. Alright. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I've marked this box with a 1 or a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. We have a double 1 there. So it must be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Correct, faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the killer Sudoku, for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlist for the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. And also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet you again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. I want the weekend, yes. Some rest, but practice still continues. So see you then. Bye bye for now.